Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Christian Acosta, aka the Kid Acosta. And if this is your first time here, thanks for tuning into my channel. This channel is usually comprised of opening training cards, a little bit of mischief, how-to videos. Granted, I'm only starting. But if this is your second time coming, thanks for returning. My brother got me these two boxes of cards for Christmas, so Santa came a little bit late. We're going to go ahead and open these bad boys. Let's dive right in. Okay, first box, Topps, 2021. Right off the bat, we got Wade Miley, Chance Sisco, Aaron Fletcher. We got Jake Arrieta in the Cubbies uniform. We got Willie Mays, refractor. Very nice picture of the legend. Got a Ken Griffey. No number. Andrew Vaughn, rookie. Put that in the rookie pile. All right, nothing on that one. Whoa, this one feels really, really heavy. Little Blake Snell. I see something shiny back there. Victor Gonzalez, put that in the rookie pile. All right, here it comes. Jacob deGrom, refractor, legend. Very pretty card. All right, congratulations. Bryce Harper, 70th anniversary logo patch card. Whoa. Whoa. This is a pretty card. Garrett Cole, very beautiful card again. No number. Well, that was a big card, guys. Uh-oh. Alec Bohm, rookie debut. Joe Kelly. I see something back here. I see gold. Robert Clemente, a little legend action. Very pretty. Shane Bieber. Whoa, little Jazz Chisholm. He's a superstar. Patrick Weigel. Luis Robert. No number. We'll put that off to the side because he is a superstar. Alright, we are moving along. Hyun-Jin Ryu. Ian Anderson, rookie. Last 2 packs. Trevor Williams, Ben Bowden, Pablo Sandoval, Fatty, John Means, Marvin Gonzalez, Ryan Weathers. Dang, Sergio Romo A's. Ouch. Get jammed. Kyle Lewis, eh? Superstar. Superstar. Last pack luck. Here we go. Let's see some auto. Little Manny Machado. Johnny Bench, one of the greatest catchers ever. Randy Arozarena. All right. Right. We just got done opening the 2021 Update Series trading cards. We had some pretty good pulls. A little bit of Bryce Harper, Randy Arozarena, a couple, or many other superstars. It's time to get into the Topps Gypsy Queen. All right, first pack. These are pretty cards. Ben Singer. Rookie. Put these rookies in a pile. We got Alex Verdugo. Ouch. Oh, Arcia, something green. DJ LeMahieu, baby. Give me that. Green. D. May, throws flat. Rookie card, Jazz Chisholm. All right, pack 2. Pete Alonso, Kyle Schwarber, and we got B. Anderson on the Marlins, green. Corey Seager, blue. edge is not looking good. On the Dodgers, very pretty. Whoa. 124 to 199. Wow. Seeing if that other green one was numbered. Rookie card. Put that with the rookies. Nope. Tapia. Grisham. Kyle Lewis. Alright, here we go. Mets. What is this? Mark Conforto? Is that his name? Michael Conforto. Not bad. 304. Okay. We got Loreno and Chris Sale. You guys can see the centering's way off on that. I'm grading these cards as I pull them. Meadows. It's not Craig Biggio. It's Cavan Biggio. Whoa, what is this? We got a Pinnacles. Nolan Arenado. Green. Trevor Bauer. Topps Jersey Queen Baseball. Tarot of the Diamond. I like this card. It's like a playing card. Trevor Bauer. Let's see if it's numbered. Nope. Segura. Got free. Alright, we got 3 more packs. Max Muncy. Good. Patino, rookie. Mats. Odor. Ouch. We got green. I don't know who this guy is. A. Rosario. M. Gonzalez. Go. Schmitty. Garcia. Trout. Centering looks off. Put it in the discard pile. Dunning. Here we go. We got green. Bezier and Judge. Wow. This hurts. Alright, last pack luck, guys. Romero. Ooh, what's that in the back? Akiyama. Bieber. Yadier. Molina, captain. Whoa. This is like a half card. Wow. This is actually very cool. Paddock. Real Muto and Mendesi. All right, so I just got done opening these 2 boxes of Topps baseball trading cards. About to go over all of the cards that I think are not hitters, just to ensure the fact that I didn't leave any hitters in each of these piles. Then I'm also going to go back and sleeve all of my cards.